Good evening, traders. This is Mohiith Shankar, professional trader and mentor. So, if you're very new to the channel, do consider subscribing it and share it among your friends who would like to learn about intraday trading. I predominantly trade in Nifty only, not Bank Nifty or individual stocks. So today, let us understand what has happened today. We opened mild gap down, as you can see here, mild gap down, and then we tried to rally. Now, the remaining analysis, let me show it to you using the investing.com. Investing.com is a site where you can use this for analysis. You can also use your trader provided software for the analysis. Both would represent the same thing. Just make sure that when you're using investing.com, change the country's flag to India so that you get the Indian timings on the chart. So this is the technical chart. Let me maximize this and let me show it to you. So what has happened today is that we opened gap down. We tried to scale up 16,600 80 90, but which failed, and we were not even able to scale up 16,000. We were not able to hold even 16,680 for more than 5 minutes, and then we collapsed from, I would not say collapsed, but there was no interest in buying at the higher levels because it was a very narrow ranging day. Let me show it to you. The range, when I say the range, it is the distance between the high and the low. If you if you subtract between the high and the low, it is hardly 80 point a day on Nifty, but more narrow ranging. So if you would have gone for options, put options, it was hardly 60 points, even deep in the money. I'm talking about 16,900 put options here. Even that was very narrow and very narrow. So let me show it to you, Hikanashi charts. See this, the market, let me, so this is 3 10 15. Yeah, it is today. So what has happened today was, let me show it to you. The floor, we, as we know, the floor is this support, this region 16,600, that is the floor, and the roof or the resistance is this, which is 16,695 to 700 levels. 16,700 level. Now on such days, what we generally do is that we try to sell at the resistance and buy back on the doing this at the support levels. Now 16,600 has been a multi-day support level for quite some time now. So what has happened was that I was waiting for a I was waiting to go short had, if the Nifty had crossed around 16,690 or 700, 16,700 close by, I was willing to go short. My strike price was 16,900 puts. This is an expiry day. Today was the expiry day, 26th of August, last month's expiry, this month's last expiry. So what happened was, as you can see here, it made a successive lows, and it went on making a low. Now what we did was we went short here 16,640 46 thereabout, and then I quickly asked them to square off with a 30-point profit. Let me show it to you in Telegram, where I have given clear instructions. Okay, see this, add 16,900 put to your watch list, and then buy puts now at 258 level, and then I gave them minute to minute instructions. My main intention is not to make any, and we had a precise stop loss of 18 to 20 point stop loss, that is stop loss at 240, 258, 260, 262 levels, because there will always be slippage. I might tell you to buy it at 250 or 258. By the time you execute the trade, we might not get. And one more interesting factor which I need to bring to your notice is that today, if you have seen, the premium of the options, the option premium was not changing every second. It was like stagnant for a good 5 minutes, and then it used to give like 4 or 5 points plus or negative. So this was one thing which I didn't like about today. We were not getting the, although the Nifty was changing, it was the same with angel broking software as well as the Zerodha software as well. So across all the platforms, the option pricing was not changing the way you generally used to change. So see, the first I told them to shift stop loss to 275, then exit at 285 was the call which was given. This was the first trade before 1250. About here, why 1250 exactly I gave? Because I understood that this will make a retracement before it gives a second dip. Now, and I told them that if I would let you know if we get any second dip. These are the profits of the students. It's very small accounts. Understand, if you are able to make 2,500 every day with an investment as low as 30,000 40,000, then it is good. So these are the profits, as you can see. Now what happened was, I'll show it to you. I did tell them that it's expired. Nifty has been an 80-point narrow ranging day. Start booking profits. Don't hold any position. Okay, don't hold. They'll at the end. I told them, because everyone would not exit at the same level whenever I tell them to exit. I was waiting for a retracement. I did get the retracement, but I was not sure whether we need to take a second trade. So whoever had taken the trade, I just told them to just hold on to your trades, because my target was again these levels. 290 was the target in the options, so we got that. 296 was this one. 296, that's what we got. 240, 245, we got this. See, 290 hit, the target of 290 hit. That's how precisely, I mean, we have been, you say it as luck or the trading system. The trading system has been working fine for us. Today has been a very narrow ranging day. Initially it did show that the markets is going to go up, but it was not so. Let me show you the 1 hour candlestick. See, this is the 1 hour candlesticks for you. This is 11:30, 12:30. It was although it would give a raise, the all the attempts towards 16,700, or I would not say 16,700. Today it was narrow than yesterday. 16,650. All the attempts towards 16,650 was sold into. There was no follow through buying. um, but you can attribute this to the global cues as well. Let me show you Hang Seng. The Hang Seng market, if you can see here, it had dropped. It had dropped nearly 2%, and then there was a rally towards the end of 1%. Had you seen this, and don't trade seeing a Hang Seng or a Dow Jones market in Indian market to Indian market, because the factors which are moving Hang Seng are quite different than the factors which moves our market. But there any weakness in the Asian markets might have a bearing on the Indian markets, in which way our markets might not rally to the extent what we want it to rally. The rally might be subdued. This might happen, or it can follow the Asian markets and fall in accordance with the Asian market. Either of the things can happen. Now, if let me check the daily candlesticks for you. See, this is one day, and whenever I check the daily candle, I usually see this. This is I would not say a doji, a spinning top. This is a spinning top which is being formed at the top of a 52-week all-time high, because 16,712 has been the all-time high. It is bullish. I'm not sure if we would hold tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and we would not come with any biased view when we want to trade tomorrow. Always understand, have a trading system which can gives you clear sell and as well as buy signals. Now, this is the first most important thing when you want to become when you want to take trading as a profession. If you don't have a trading system, take the help of someone who has the trading system already working. For example, my students use my trading system and they make consistent money. Now, understand, survival in the market is most important. Once you start making small profits, or once you start surviving in the market, protecting your capital, the profits also will be a byproduct. So don't worry about that. Understand, trade with your system. Now, most time must be spent in understanding and formulating a workable trading system than in understanding all sorts of strategies out in the market. Don't go for that, because nothing is a holy grail in the market. You need to develop your own strategy, understand this, or use someone who has time tested strategy. Fine. So that is it for today, guys, and we will come back tomorrow. We have made a 30 points profit. We had a second chance of making 30 points, which I was not convinced of. So whoever had traded 30 points, I told them to exit the trade. That was enough today, because it's a very narrow ranging day, plus the option premium was not getting. See, if you can see here, like, it's very easy to show you the top and then the bottom. If you can see here, top and the bottom is 60 points. Understand how you will not be able to, you would not know, or no one would know when to short and when to go, when to square off the positions in the market. This was 60 points. In a 60-point market, if you are able to make 30 points, it is excellent. In fact, it is excellent. So you need to trade with a well proven trading system. Get this straight, right? So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and do post in your comments if you would like to know anything. And regarding the workshop, I would not be conducting any further workshops, because we are more focused on trading. If you want to directly join the batches, you can join the Telegram channel. If you want to trade with me, you can join. The number is displayed here below. That's it, guys, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.